Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun. Okay, so we've been heating up this piece for, I don't know, an hour now. And it finally reached temperature. So we're ready to do a oil cooling. Let me get my other glove on. Okay, ready. Okay, we got it somewhat cooled. Now we put it back in and take it back up to 500 degrees. Let that soak for 20 minutes or so. Well, you see, in about 20 minutes I'm going to take it out and just drop it in there and let it sit overnight. So, hey. Okay, so we've got our piece heat treated, and man, is it heat treated. Listen to this. You ready? And its file just skips over the top of that. And that's from using this cherry red material. I got that from eBay. And man, this stuff really works great. And I didn't follow all of the specific procedures to get this heat treated. I just basically coated this and followed instructions. And man, the surface is hard as a rock. Now, what's happening probably is it's hard as a rock just for the first few thousandths. So once we grind down into this, it's going to soften up a little bit. But we've got to go 15 thousandths here, here, and here. And all three of these are bearing surfaces. So they're going to be fine. This is the cam, which follows, has a follower on it. And this is where the wear is going to happen. So this is where the hardness needs to stay. So we're all set up. And with my, Frankenstein surface grinder that I built probably 20 years ago. Don't use it that often, but when I do, it is a very useful tool. We're set up between centers, and I think we're ready to rip. So let's get going. I'm gonna get my vacuum over here. Not vacuum vent, which I hope you can still see. Let's see. I've got a mirror here that I can... Yeah, it kind of gets in the way, but not too bad. But this grinding dust is not good. Okay, so let's just put the vice grips here. Now that's going to put it right in the way. Okay. So then what? Well, let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of in the way. Let's see if we can just kind of move it just a little bit. That should do the trick. We'll be back.
What about like these bears, Nick? Between the troughs?
All right, let's see how far out we are. We're at 0 right there. Not far out, actually. 1.5. Yep, 1.5 thou. That's not too bad. And we are looking to come down to... So we got just about 10 thousandths to take off here. Okay, let's take a little bit more. Seems to have squared it up nicely. Check it out. Yeah. So for some reason, it's cutting better. So we're at 15. And we're at 17. So 2 thousandths difference. And I'm wondering if we've gotten through that surface yet. Okay, that's our size right there. I just hope that we're through the surface. No, we're not. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to fiddle with that, figure out what's going on. So let's come over to this piece here. And this comes in at 5, 10, 15 thousandths big, maybe 18 thousandths big. Okay, let's see what we can do here. All right, I'll be back. All right, we're definitely off. Ah, definitely. The line is much straighter. So we're pretty close. Let's see how we're doing width-wise. Yeah, we still got 10 thousandths to go. Maybe. About 12 thousandths. Hopefully. Much better. Much better. Got a long ways to go, though. Come on, baby. Make it. All right, we're getting there. Slowly. All right, let's see what we got now. We can take this off for the moment. Takes me back to the old COVID days. We're still in the clear. We've got about 12 thousandths to go. We may actually be able to bury this, but who knows for sure. Okay, ready? Okay, so we're going to be able to make it. The question is are we going to be able to make it square? And we're sitting at a little above 1 under 0, and this is 1 under 1. So we have 1 thousandths to deal with here. Let's see if we can. The size. So we are sitting at 22. And this, plenty of room. We got almost 10,000. You all set?
Yeah, I gotta go. There you go.
Okay. You got it fired up?
Yep, you want me to just plug it in?
Yeah. Okay, we got 4 thousandths left, and we're gonna sneak up on this, so I'm just gonna take a thou out of this and see where we got, what we got. Okay, we're at 2 thousandths right now. All right, I'm going to take a half and see what we can come up with. Okay, we got this surface not only cut to size within about 2/10, but also square across here. So I'm happy with that. I think what I want to do is go back to this one, because this one was a little high back in this corner here, and now that we're squared up, I can probably come back in and get myself a little bit of leeway. Okay, we're going to surface grind this last diameter, and then we're done. Well, mostly done. Let's see what we got. We're sitting right at 5 3/10 maybe. Okay, well, we got that one done. There was a couple of places where I wasn't sure, and but it all worked out. There's one little glitch here. It didn't quite reach the diameter, but you know, we're talking 5 thousandths or so. Otherwise, everything is really in good shape. The gear, I had to literally tap it on, which is perfect because you want a good solid tight fit. So, and the reason why this broke is because the manufacturer put a groove in there to be able to butt up against this edge here, and that groove goes in maybe 20 thousandths or so, but that's the weak point. And guess what? Bonk. That's where it broke. So the customer's happy. Everything looks like it's going to go right into place, no problem, and we're all happy. Yep. Okay, well, hey, that was another fun project, and keep them coming, right? This is Nick Collier checking out.